For today we're going to unbox 10 TwoSun EDC gadgets. Let's see what they're all about. EDC means everyday carry. So we got it here EDC 12. So this is kind of like a keychain, pry bar, titanium. There's a TwoSun logo and it's a very unique pry bar. Looks like one of those finger self-defense tool. This is a pointy edge right here, not very sharp, but it will cut through boxes very easily this way, like box tape. It will scrape something off, pry open. That's one of a kind. Very nice bottle opener, and there's a keychain or lanyard hole. That is really cool. I like that. Next we have right here EDC 04. That's the name of it, just like this kind of numbers. There's so many different kinds. This is another keychain pry bar, again titanium. There's a designer logo, and I really like that 2X right here. Again, I don't know, maybe this way. Kind of too small for my finger. It have to go in here. There you go. I don't know. It's just perfect to, like, again, open boxes, pull the nail out, pry open paint cans, just anything. Bottle opener would be on this side, this way or this way, and this side here wrench. Don't know if I would ever use a wrench, but still looking really nice. Like that one a lot too. Next, EDC 11F. Ooh, this one is a actual pry bar, and again, I think biggest complaint about this kind of pry bars, it does not have a clip. It is very important to have a clip to put it onto the pocket so it does not get lost. But again, titanium, heat treated. This line's beautiful, pineapple design. I love it. Same thing whatever the pry bar does. Open cans, bottles, nails, scrape something off. I really like that one. That one is very comfortable. Heftier, that's for sure, because it's much thicker. Next, EDC 05. Ooh, same designer. There's bottle opener, this way or this way. I like it. This one is very comfortable, self-defense against like animals in the forest. But anyway, super nice, very unique bottle opener and box opener pry bar. I like that one. Okay, let's keep on going. This one don't have a name, that's fine. Ooh, this one anodized. I love that color. And again, all of this made in a titanium. And this is like anodized color, like that, painted. That's what it called process. There's a logo on it, the designer logo, 2X's, pry bar. So this way I kind of don't like holding it this way, because this will kind of too sharp. So maybe that way. I don't know. More of a like maybe this way. Don't really know what the hole does. Not really much. But anyways, the pry bar, very nice and good edge to open the cans. And tape. Oh, there's a Pioneer EDC, the name of it. There it is. Cool. I like that one. It just looks really cool and lightweight. Okay, let's keep on going. EDC 01. What is that? Again, the biggest minus about this EDC pry bars, they don't have clip. It's nice to have a clip to put it in the pocket. All they have is like a keychain holder or lanyard holder. So, but again, very sharp right here, but not that will cut to like boxes, but box tape, easy to open it up. I do like how it's like circle, thick. Very nice, very comfortable. There's another design. TS EDC 14. Let's see what's about. Oh, this one is kind of cool. I thought it would look cool on the pictures. Okay, again, lightweight for such a thickness. That's what does the titanium. It's a nice stone material, but lightweight. Okay, same designer, EDC 14. Very unique like handle, very comfortable to open bottle this way or this way, either way. Nice pry bar, pull out nails even. Looks like sharp enough corners to open up boxes. Very stylish for sure. Open can bottles this way and open cans like paint cans this way. Very cool. I like that tool. Next tool is PEN 8. Oh, it's a pen, so that what happens. PEN shortened pen 8. That's a simple name, so I like it. Oh, nice. That's a keychain pen, and it's a very small, kind of like a window type of break ball over here. How does this work? We unscrew it, sweet, and it becomes much taller. For my big hands, works really well. Not sure what material that is. And let's see what kind. Looks like aluminum. Oh wow, that's a small pencil in the insert. That's cool. And perfect in case you use a pen a lot. There is one that fits a keychain. I like it. A couple more here. What is this? No name on this one. Oh, this one is so cool. It looks like a little torpedo, but it's a pen. Very unique. And there's a pen. Beautiful. But again, there's a keychain, no clip. All this is more for keychain pieces. How do we remove that? High quality stuff. There it is. The best part about all of this is pretty affordable. Okay, this one have no name. And the last one. Oh, the same one, but is like a titanium color. Easier to read it. Pioneer. Or what is it? Pioneer. Oh, there it is. It's a P Pioneer EDC. I like that one a lot. Double bottle opener, pry bar. Very cool looking, stylish to put on the keychain. Let me know in comments below which EDC gadget was your favorite. I like them all. It's kind of fun to switch them out once in a while. Or there's different key sets. I would put like maybe 2 or 3 keys on different keys, one keychain gadget, so that way I don't lose or misplace the keys. And also it's cool tool to have with the keys as well. Never know when I need one, like a little pry bar, or I open up boxes all the time. With this it'll be easier than doing it with the keys. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.